Hello, fellow webheads. This is Ahmad Jackson back with some more Spider-Man Shattered Dimensions gameplay. We are on part 9, and I decided to do 10 parts, so we have one more part left until the series is completely over. And today we're going to be playing Division Level. I'm sorry, I am really horrible at French. I can't speak French. For nothing. Marvel Noir is a part of... Yeah, I kind of knew that. I never knew it was made in 2008, actually. I was 8. I never heard of those comics. The guy who killed Uncle Ben. Yes, Peter, we all know. Alright. Start our Spartans here. You didn't see nothing, bro. Let's just randomly zip back up here. Get up, son. And guys, today is gonna be a 12-minute walkthrough. So I opened up a whole bunch of space, and conveniently, I started this recording, and so this is gonna be 12 minutes. It's still gonna end right in the middle of the episode. I'm very sorry. I really gotta watch myself in this part. No, don't zip back up there. I was right behind him and he didn't see nothing. Suck. And I get a whack whack. I can't take him down just yet. It's not really an opportunity for a self attack if there's two guys down there. Now it is. Can I get a whack whack? Oh crap, they see me. No! You sabotaged my achievement progress. You monster! You just suck. And guys, I'm sorry for the last 3 Spider-Man videos being noir. I was gonna like do them all, but I just wanted to do all the noir levels for you guys. And yeah, so I'm not gonna be. I know there's a Sandman level. I'm not gonna be playing that level because it's frustrating, and I just don't want to upload it to YouTube. So I'm very sorry, but yeah, and 10 parts. It's the farthest I ever got in a gaming series on YouTube, and yeah. What he said. I know you guys didn't hear it. Yeah, you guys can't hear anything. Can't hear nothing. I'm back. Oh, now you guys want to walk. No, no takedowns. Nope. Y'all be moving out in the most worst angles ever. You freaking kidding me? Got him. Oh, you got to be little buddies. Buddies. Aw, they're so cute. Got on this wall here. Boom. Vulture, just remember, the early bird gets the worm. I repeat, the early bird gets the worm. But he was the early bird in this situation because he got the fragment first. Wait, actually, no, not 10 walkthroughs. I just figured out something. I can do the Craven level, then I can play the Scorpion level, then we are going to be into the Mystery level. Yeah, that can make 12 walkthroughs. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, let's go in here. And sorry for the music in the background. They're just having fun in there. Who invited Stinky? Get whacked, son. Wait a second. Can you guys even see anything? I don't think you guys can see. I'm sorry. Alright. Alright. Webheads, you can see now. Hi. What he said. Oh, snap. The guy got through out the window. You're a chump for looking the other way. Never look the other way. Yeah, you're right. Get over here. Holy crap, I totally beat that pro without getting caught once. That's the first time that's ever happened. Grab some cheese, chump. Oh! Justice strike. Ow! You cannot butterfly twist me like that. Banana smack. I'm just gonna walk casually and pretend like there's nothing. Oh, God. You both suck. Up. And grab. And here's some for you. Any more? Yeah! Alright, up to the vulture part. Justice strike. Should we just take damage already? Oh man, get wrecked. Oh my god. Hey Vulture, have you ever been to Wizard of Oz? Because I remember the witch just hating the light. Was that a good pun? Was that a good pun? Get whacked, sir. Where'd you go? Stop. Boop, boop, boop. Bam. I got you. Alright, web pets, that's all for today. And if you like this video, hit that like button, and I will see you web pets later. Twip.